If you are struggling to detangle or moisturize your hair after losing it from a protective hairstyle, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a DIY hair conditioner using okra, and a lot of us already know what okra is. It's used for making soup, but I bet you didn't know you could use it in your hair as well. There's a lot of things that can be used on hair, and okra is just one of them. So you can see me cutting my okra. I'm cutting all the parts I'm not using, which is the tail. So I'm just going to separate that from all the body of the okra. All you need to do is to dice your okra, wash and boil it. Please don't overcook your okra because of the nutrients, and don't cover it while when boiling. As you all know that okra is rich in vitamin A, C and K, and also has calcium, potassium and lots of other nutrients that are great for hair growth, and it also moisturizes dry hair, scalp and it gets rid of dandruff. So after boiling your okra for some minutes, allow it to cool before straining the gel out. You can strain it using cheesecloth, wig cap, a sieve, but I don't use it because I will be using my okra to make a soup. If you are wondering how I'm going to be apply it, I put my knife in the fire, then made a hole on the cover of the bottle to apply it on my hair. So guys, this is my hair. I just lose it from a protective hairstyle, and I will be using this okra gel to detangle my hair, and also I will be working in session, and that is how I will be apply it one after the other and massage it into my hair thoroughly. And one thing about this okra gel, it give your hair a very it make your hair coily. So if you want to make use of this okra gel, I advise you to try it out. Do not be scared. If I can use it for my hair, you can use it for your hair, but before you do that, make sure you know your hair condition. If you are the kind of person that cannot tolerate anything on your hair like any natural ingredient, you have to test it out. Make sure you boil it. You can also soak it for 24 hours. This is my tips. So after applying the okra water on my hair, I left it on my hair to sit for about 30 minutes with a nylon bag, and then after 30 minutes I did the normal wash day, like normal hair wash day with the shampoo and the conditioner. This was just to help my hair moisturized before washing. So we have come to the end of this video, guys. If you find value in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share. Have a nice day. Bye.